Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on practicing ICD-10-PCS coding in the Chiropractic section of the ICD-10-PCS code manual. Just as with all ICD-10-PCS codes, the Chiropractic section PCS codes also have a 7-character code format. The characters are as follows. Character 1 is for this section. Character 2 is for the anatomical region. Character 3 is for the root operation. Character 4 is for the body region. Character 5 is for the approach. Character 6 is for the method. And character 7 is for the qualifier. We only have one root operation in the chiropractic section, which is the root operation manipulation. So again, if you open up your ICD-10-PCS code book or code manual, in the back in the appendix for the root operation definitions, you can go to the chiropractic section and look at the definition for manipulation, which is defined as a manual procedure that involves a directed thrust to move a joint past the physiological range of motion without exceeding the anatomical limit. So now that we are familiar with the definition for manipulation, let's look at a couple cases. Our first coding practice scenario has a 39-year-old patient being seen for mechanically assisted chiropractic manipulation of her head. So what is our root operation and what is our ICD-10-PCS code? Remember, your first question is always, what is our root operation? So we know we only have one root operation to pick from in this section, which is manipulation. So if you open up your code book, in the index, we can't just go to manipulation. If you go to manipulation, it'll say adhesions see release or chiropractic see chiropractic manipulation. So then that's a direction for us to follow, and we're going to go to chiropractic manipulation under C in our index. So under chiropractic manipulation, we're going to go to the head, which is giving us characters 9WB0X. So we're going to flip to table 9WB. Character 4 and 5 are given to us, 0 and X. So now we just have to pick character 6 and character 7. So once you're at the table, you'll see that we're going to pick character K for our 6th character, which is for mechanically assisted. And then character 7, or the 7th character, Z, which is for none, because there wasn't a qualifier. So the code we're going to assign is 9WB0XKZ. Okay, let's go ahead and do our second case. So our second case, we have a 47-year-old in for chiropractic treatment of the sacrum using long and short lever-specific contact. So again, the first question you always ask is, what is our root operation? And from there we determine what is our ICD-10-PCS code. So we know our root operation is manipulation. So go ahead and look up the chiropractic manipulation. And then we're going to go down to sacrum. So from there, you're given code 9WB4X, So we just have to pick the 6th and the 7th character. So the 6th character, we're going to pick J, which stands for the long and short lever specific contact that was used. And then our 7th character, again, is Z for none. So the complete code is 9WB4XJZ.